Imagine turning a simple 2D image into a 3D model using AI and Blender in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using ChatGPT or Gemini plus Blender scripting. No advanced modeling skills required. First, take the 2D image of the object you want to recreate in 3D. Drag and drop it into ChatGPT or Gemini. Then use a prompt like this. Analyze this image and generate Blender Python code to recreate a 3D model of this object. You can also be more specific, mention shape, proportions, or style if needed. The AI will return a Python script that uses Blender's API. This script typically creates primitives like cubes, cylinders, or meshes and positions them to match the image. Copy the provided code. Now open Blender, go to the top, and switch to the scripting workspace. Here you'll see the script editor. This is where we'll paste the AI-generated code. Paste the code into the script editor. Then click Run Script. And just like that, your 3D model appears in the scene. From here you can refine the model, adjust scale, materials, lighting, or add more details manually. Remember, AI gives you a starting point, not always a perfect final model. If the result isn't accurate, try a clearer image, improve your prompt, ask the AI to refine the script. You can even iterate multiple times to improve your model. And that's how you can turn a 2D image into a 3D model using AI in Blender. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI plus 3D workflows. See you in the next video.